Okay, we got a very good price at Cathedral City Upholstery, $250 to redo the headliner on this car. So they're going to take out the headliner, redo it, and put it back in on a BMW, and it's complicated. So I think it's a great price. So we'll have that on video for you in a moment. Going back to Meineke, getting a minor adjustment on the front end alignment because the steering wheel is leaning a little to the right. So want to get the wheel perfectly straight. The car is performing fantastic and really happy with it. Just a little minor adjustment at Meineke. It's pretty high tech over here at Meineke. These things look like solar panels, and they use them to do the front end alignment on a BMW. Look at this. Isn't that amazing? All this to just get the wheel back to center. Oh boy.
Drive my BMW, drive my BMW. Just get out of the car. All I want to do. Drive my BMW.
They gave me a really good price over here at Meineke for an oil change. So oil's coming out, and it sure looks like it's time for the oil to change. So new oil and filter on the Beamer. Also, we found out about this bracket where the hood is not quite staying down, and it's a simple fix on securing a latch. So we're going to fix that today too. So the hood will be back in normal position. But new oil change for the Beamer and filter. All right, we're getting the headliner put on today on the BMW. There she is. And they're working on it right now as we speak. So let me show you a little detail on what they're doing right now with the headliner on the BMW.
If you'd like to see the parts we have available, please visit our site, autobodyman.com, and click on Auto Parts from ABM.
You can see it's pretty involved. The sunroof's in very good shape, so we're not going to change that out. But they basically have to take apart all the parts of the car, even the front. And now they got the headliner out, they're cleaning it up, and they're going to be putting the fabric on there. They're actually spraying glue on it right now so they can lay it down and adhere it. Place is called Cathedral City Upholstery, and the price that we're paying is $250 for having the headliner done on the BMW. And it's involved because it's a pretty large headliner and a lot of different parts on a BMW. So real pleased with the price. Looking forward to seeing the finished product. They had to pull the stripping all out. All the panels are out. A lot of work. A lot of work to change this headliner out. Laying the fabric, the new fabric, onto the top. Now he's rubbing it in and getting it all adhered nice and tight.
Oh ja, ja. Zie je? Ja, pak hoor, kan je.
de arriba?
Sí, es el techo.
Girl is driving that car.
Drive my BMW. Drive my BMW.
Just get out of the car.
All I want.
Curling around the felt now on the top before it gets adhered.
Ah, espérame, espérame.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Girl is driving that car.
Drive my BMW. Drive my BMW.
Just get out of the car.
All I wanna do
Could pay too
is
much.
drive my BMW.